Every year, plants, bacteria, and algae Earth-wide make around 150 billion metric tons of food for themselves and almost every other living thing on Earth. How do they do it? Photosynthesis. In plants, this astonishingly intricate process takes place in a highly organized structure called a chloroplast, where a green pigment, chlorophyll, and other pigments collect and use the energy from visible light with amazing efficiency. In photosynthesis, this energy is used to do something that happens nowhere else in the natural world: split water into hydrogen ions and oxygen molecules. Hydrogen ions combine with carbon dioxide to make sugar, which can be used by plants to make all the other complex molecules that they need to grow. Most of the oxygen is expelled as an unused byproduct, one that we can't live without. About half of the oxygen we and other organisms breathe comes from phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that drift in the ocean. And the smallest one yet discovered, a cyanobacterium, is also the most abundant. Though invisible to the naked eye, these bacteria alone produce around 1/5 of the oxygen on Earth. Nearly all living things need oxygen, and they depend on other life forms to make it. The amazingly complex process of combining carbon dioxide with the water that constantly cycles on our planet and energy from the sun gives us every bite of food and every breath of air we need. What do you think? Did photosynthesis evolve? Or was it designed